Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade drinks, step by step. First, let's cover the basics. Always start with the freshest ingredients you can find, like ripe fruits and aromatic herbs. Make sure your tools, from shakers to blenders, are sparkling clean. Following a good recipe is key to achieving that perfect balance of flavors and textures every time. It's all about setting a strong foundation for your drink-making journey. Next, let's talk about building flavor with simple syrups and infusions. A basic simple syrup is just 1 part sugar to 1 part water, heated until dissolved. For more complex tastes, try infusing spirits or even just water with your favorite fruits or herbs. Think sliced cucumber in gin or berries in water. Remember to strain these infused liquids well to remove any solids before you start mixing your beverages. Now for the fun part, mixing. For drinks that need to be well chilled and slightly aerated like sours, shake your ingredients vigorously with plenty of ice. If you're working with clear spirits and want a smooth, undiluted finish, stirring with ice is the way to go. And for those impressive, multicolored creations, carefully layer different liquids to achieve a stunning visual effect. Each technique brings out different qualities in your drink. Finally, let's perfect the presentation and serving. A beautiful garnish like a fresh fruit slice, a sprig of mint, or a citrus twist truly elevates your homemade drink. Always serve your creations immediately in the right glassware, ideally chilled, to maintain their optimal temperature and taste. For more great deals and to check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which can upgrade your clean game, be sure to look for the link in the description below. Enjoy your delicious, handcrafted beverages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.